What happens to the bucket method? No bucket? Want me to get it? Put it right here in this corner, just kind of angled. Like that, or no, the other way, sideways kind of. No, like this. Like that. Alright. You just like this. Like angled. Angled. Like that. Yeah. That's how I've been doing it. That one strap on the top or on the side? Side. See? That's why you got that angle right there. See how I'm stepping? Yeah. Still almost busted it. That's how you do it. Yeah, almost busted it because, you know, it's all my fault. Yeah, it's about 2 inches off. You were close. Now I'll know though for next time. Yeah, about 2 inches out. So you haven't been on concrete yet with these knobbies, have you? Not really. Looks good with them. Just like 4 houses down, seat B, make sure. Take it down the road like this. I mean, you can tell it's got a license plate. Yeah, you can do whatever you wanted to. Honestly, nobody even. I might just have to keep it. I might not wash it, honestly. Yeah, you could go wherever you wanted to, man. Nobody can call the cops on you.
See my brake light there?
Wouldn't even know what your license plate number was.
Can you see my brake lights?
Oh yeah. A little bit. That's a solid machine right there. I'll tell you what. I never knew that thing was going to be that. I mean, it's a good universal dirt scooter. That's what I'd say. You can cruise on it all day around the neighborhood. Just put around. Stock muffler on it. Same thing on the trails. Put around. You can put a slip on it and go just freaking go cut up, go monkey around. First wipeout. You know, just get it, go hit some jumps or whatever. Then you, I mean, stick the stock muffler back on, slip it back on, just 2 bolts, and strap you a bag of corn on the back and go hunting. It's just good all around it. I mean, I don't even see the point in having a 4-wheel ride. I really don't. I'll never ride a 4-wheel again. What's the point? EFI, the fuel injection. I cranked it up this morning, that seat was iced over. Had to scrape that ice off with a microfiber rag. She just fired right up. I'll tell you what, man. Probably ain't even gonna get rid of this sucker. Just gonna ride it. You know? How to be OCD with your monkey 101. Rubber hooks, rubber bed liner to protect your rubber bed liner, microfiber to protect your plastic that's protecting your tailgate. That's how to be OCD right there.